Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So this reading will be what are their current energies or what are their current feelings towards you. So let's see. I have three piles here, three stones here actually. So first one is this green agate, beautiful green agate. Then the second pile or a stone will be the golden quartz. Then third pile is lapis lazuli. Okay, lapis lazuli. So pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, pick any one of them, whichever you are intuitively connected with. If you want more time, then you can pause the video and connect to the energies. Okay, then without wasting much time, let's start the reading. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and encouraging my readings and supporting my channel. Okay, then if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with every viewer. Okay, so please take it whatever resonates and leave the rest. That's all I have for you to say. Then let's start the reading. So let's start with pile number 1, this green agate. Let's see. I'm keeping it here. Let's see what are your person's current feelings towards you. What are your person's current feelings towards you? So I'm using here the Lost Tarot deck, and it's a Nostradamus deck. Okay, so I'm using this. So let's find out what are their current feelings towards you. What are their current feelings towards my pile 1? What are their current feelings towards my pile 1? What are their current feelings towards my pile 1? Spirit guides and angels, please help us, give us some guidance. And I will also want to show you the bottom of the deck. Okay, so bottom of the deck is 8 of stars. Okay, hope you can see 8 of stars. So the first card we have is the star. Wow, very nice. Then the next one is postulant. Okay, then the third card is the 7 of stars. Okay, so we have these cards here. So I can clearly see that you are dealing with an air sign, or air elements might be there in this person's chart very strongly, prominently. Okay, so this might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and I can see that Aquarius very strong here. Apart from air signs, I can't see any other sign here. Okay, so only air signs I can see strongly. So Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius is very strong here. So you can take it how it resonates. Okay, friends. So let's start the reading. So 8 of stars. So that means this person is blindfolded. This person is not clear about what is happening in this connection. So this person is blindfolded and tied to something. Okay, so this person is stuck. This person is not able to move towards you. So this person is not clear actually what is happening, and I can clearly see you blocked this person, or this person blocked you. So there is some blockage in this connection. Okay, but not all the what do you say, see all the sites you blocked somewhere, maybe in the social media or WhatsApp or Instagram. I don't know where you have blocked this person, or that person blocked you, but this person blocked you. Okay, or there is a blockage here. You both are not in communication, not in talking terms. Then you don't have any information about this person. So this person is also feeling the same. This person is feeling like they are stuck and they don't know anything. They are in confusion actually what happened. Their hands are tied and they are blindfolded and very defensive. This person is right now feeling very defensive and like defeat. This person is feeling like something he or she lost everything. But that person sees you as a star. Maybe you are very famous in social media, or you are famous TikToker or somewhere. You might be a famous person, okay, at least among your friend circle. And I can see that this person is, you know, this person already, and this person might be one of your friends, colleague, or classmate, college mate, anybody. So you know this person already. This person sees you as a star, and they have the hope also in this connection. Right now they are feeling hopeful, and this I can see, this is a long distance connection, because the star means it is far away in the sky, and we will be watching the stars, right? So this connection is long distant, I can say, for some of you. So this person might be Aquarius or any air sign, and this person might have these air elements in his or her chart. Okay, so this person have a lot of feelings towards you, and they are very much attracted towards you. And the postulant means this person is spying on you, stalking in social medias. Somewhere or the other, this person is getting the information. That's why I told you in the first only that this person, you or this person blocked each other, but not in all the places. Okay, so if you blocked in WhatsApp, then maybe you kept it open in Facebook, or if you blocked in Facebook, you kept it open in the Instagram somewhere, or from your friend circle, you might have mutual friends. As I told you, you know each other already. So this person is gathering information about you. This person is not making any move towards you. They are looking from far. Okay, they are keeping an eye on you, they are stalking you, they are very curious what you are doing, what is your next step, how you are feeling. So they have lot of curiosity about you. They want to know you actually. So even though you may be friends or colleagues or something, but you don't know each other that well. Okay, you didn't come into any connection till now. Maybe this is kind of a crush, or the love in early stages, or attraction. Okay, something is there. So this person is heavily stalking at you, they are spying on you, they are gathering all the information. And seven of stars, so that means this person is kind of a player, and this person is kind of a trickster, or I won't say cheater, but this person is trying to take your heart and run away, but he's looking at back. Okay, looking towards you at the back. That means this person has want to move on. They have lot of options, I can see here. They have lot of options in their life, and they don't know whom to choose. They are blindfolded, and they want to run away from this connection, but they are not able to go. Actually, they are keeping an eye on you. So steps, his like a foot is forward, but his face is backward looking at you. His eyes are at you. Okay, so this person is like that. Let's see more details about this person, how he's feeling, how he or she feeling towards you, how he or she feeling about you, how he or she feeling about you. For my pile number one, how this person is feeling about you right now. What are their current energies? Spirit, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, please give us some clarity, how this person is feeling. Three of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and Five of Pentacles. So in the second spread, I can see that this person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or um, Sagittarius, Aries, and Leo. Okay, so you or your person might be of these signs. Then the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, okay, so in the second spread, I can see that this person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn strongly. You or your person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So look at the second spread. So this person might have started something new in his life. Ace of Pentacles, that means this person got a new job, or he started a new business. Something is there in their life, something is new. Okay, Ace of Pentacles means some new beginnings are there in this person's life. Then Three of Pentacles, that means there is a, definitely I can see there is a third party interference here. So that might be their family, or job, or friends, or really a third person. Okay, then but I feel that these are like a third party means the friends, or this person gives a lot of importance to other people, like friends or colleagues, or whatever they say, public opinion, or something. This person wants others approval in the society. So this person is having this third party in between you. That is the reason this person is not able to move towards you. But Two of Wands means this person is taking a globe in his hand, and waiting for you. So there are two options, but they want to choose you only, and they want to give whatever they have. I can see that this person might be little pretty rich also. So this person is waiting for you, maybe waiting for your call or text or anything, any communication. They are not ready to move towards you, but they want communication from you. They are waiting for you. Okay, then definitely I can see this is a long distance relationship, maybe another city or country or state. Okay, so then again we can see the Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles means there is so many secrets in this church. This is a church. You both love each other, and you both are like wounded, or you both are hurt actually. There is something happened in between you in the past, so you both are hurt actually. So this is right below this card of Seven of Stars. Seven of Stars means this person might have done something wrong in your life, and you are feeling hurt, and in return you also might have said so many things to this person, and this person is hurt now. So you both are hurt, not feeling well. This person might be also, maybe they are not feeling well. They have some health issues right now going on. So this is how this person is feeling. So they want to come towards you, but they are not able to come towards you. They are just still waiting and looking at you. Okay, they don't know what to do. They don't know how to move ahead. They don't know how to come towards you, but still they are waiting. And there are a lot of secrets in this. Okay, so that means you might have many secrets that you didn't tell this person, or this person have so many secrets in his or her life that they are not sharing with you. So this is what I have for you. There are some numbers prominent might be. I can see the 17 and 8, 17, 2, 3, then 7, 1, 5. Okay, so I can see all these numbers might be prominent in your life. Yeah, so maybe they may be your birthday or that person's birthday, or maybe the date you met, or those months, maybe they are prominent. Let's say one, let's pull one angel's card, angel's guidance. What is happening in this connection, and how they are feeling right now? Please sum it up with one card summation please, spirits. One card summation please, spirits, so that we can conclude this reading. Okay, the High Priestess, as I told you already. So this person is there are many hidden things, and this person is highly intuitive, intellectual, but they are not expressing their feelings. Everything is hidden. It is kind of a mysterious person. This person is not telling you what they are doing, but they also, it is saying that they are following their gut instinct right now. Okay, they are now, they stopped listening to others. Now they are trying to follow their gut instinct. Whatever they had the feelings towards you, they want to follow them. Okay, now let's pull some messages from your person. Let's pull some messages from your person. Let's pull some messages from your person. What are the messages from their person for pile number 1? What are the messages from their person? What are the messages from your person? Okay, so many cards flew away. So let's put all the cards. What are the messages from their person? What are the messages from their person? Okay, let's see. Fear of commitment. Okay, this person might be fearing the commitment. Maybe they are not ready for the commitment. Don't be angry at me. So this person is asking you not to be angry at them, because they know that they have done some mistake. I need more time to heal myself. Maybe the third party is someone else, so they need some time to heal themselves. This situation involves marriage. Okay, so they want to marry you, or they are stuck in a marriage, or they want to take a divorce or something. So this situation involves marriage. Maybe that other person is married, or you are married. So maybe one of you are a third party. So you please take it how it resonates. I couldn't let you get close to me because of all these secrets and past. This person is not able to get you close. I'm sorry, I couldn't be your person. Okay, so maybe this person rejected you in the past, or you rejected them. So they are saying that I'm sorry, I couldn't be your person. It was my fault, but I blamed you. It was my fault, but I blamed you. Okay, so these are the messages from your person. So let's see what are the initials that we can get for file number 1. Okay, I can see here Q, T, J, B, O, O P X. Okay, for some of you this might be your X also. Okay, please take it how it resonates. So that is what I have for pile number 1. So let's see what it comes for pile 2. But if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Whoever chose the pile number 1, then please don't forget to press the bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my upcoming videos. Okay, that's all. Then let's pull some cards for my pile 2. Whoever chose this golden quartz, this reading is for you. This is golden quartz, beautiful golden quartz. So let's see, what is your person feeling about you right now? What are your person's current feelings right now? Whoever chose pile 2, the golden quartz, what are their current feelings towards my viewer? Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance. What are their current feelings? What are their current feelings towards you? What are their current feelings towards you? The sun, wow, very nice. Ten of Spears. The Emperor. Okay, the number 6, the Emperor. And the bottom of the deck is Two of Spears. Okay, so I can see here you might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Aries is very strong here. Then I can also see the Sun card means all the fire signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries is very strong here. Then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I don't see any other signs here. Okay, the Two of Spears means this person is juggling with 2 things right now, and that might be money and you, or job and you, or some other person. Okay, it can be anything, but they see you as the sun. That means you are the sunshine in their life. They see you as their happiness. Okay, their ultimate happiness in their life. They see you as a very happy person, and they can also see that there is one child involved in this connection. Maybe you are a single mother, or they are single parent, so it can be anything. Take it how it resonates. And this person sees you as a child. Okay, they see you as a childlike person, innocent, happy, then loving, caring. Okay, always bright and shine, happy mood. Okay, so they see you like that. And they also see you like you are a marriage material. Okay, 10 of Spears means you are a marriage material. They want to share their legacy with you, or they want to share their all the whatever they have, they want to share with you. Their home, they want to share the space with you. They want to share their family with you. They want to share everything whatever they have with you. They want to share the legacy. Or for some people, this person is already married and they are into relationship. They have children, they have pet, they have older people depending on them. They are also staying with this in the same house. So that is for some of you. Okay, they are already married, then they are in a happy relationship, but they want to have you also. They are in love with you also, but they are not able to come out of this other relationship. For some of you I'm saying, but others of you, this person sees you as a marriage material. They want to have a family reunion between you and that person. Okay, they are emperor. Emperor means they are king of kings. They see you as the emperor or empress. Okay, so take it how it resonates. Gender doesn't matter here. So they see you as you are a very strong person, strong personality. You have a very strong opinion, strong feelings towards others, and you are very powerful actually. So you are into sitting on your throne and commanding others what to do. Okay, so you are clear about your life. You have goals and you have achieved it already. So they are a little bit fearful about that. Okay, so you are very strong compared to them. So let's pull what are the other cards of says. Okay, what are their current feelings? Whoever chose this golden quartz, what are their current feelings? Please let us know. Angels and spirit guides, please let us know. Please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What are their current feelings towards my viewer? What are their current feelings towards my viewers? What are their current feelings towards my viewer? One card flew away again. I can't do this. The sun and again the sun. Okay, I'm not playing any games here. This is first time, like 2 times sun came in the same spread. Okay, so really this connection is very happy connection, I would say. Okay, let's see what is the bottom of the deck. Bottom of the deck we have the Judgment. Hope you can see Judgment. So there is some judgment is coming in this connection. Maybe you are waiting for this person for so long. They are into third party and you are waiting for them to come out of this, and they are having one kid, or you are having one kid already. So then this 3 of Cups, and we have the 9 of Swords. Okay, so this person is feeling very very sad, lonely. So whole day this person might be enjoying with their friends, having party, but still they are at night, they feel very lonely, missing you. They are crying, or they are literally they are not well, or they feel defeated in this connection. They feel like deceived by you in this connection. So they feel very guilty, they feel very painful. Okay, at night they will cry, but they see you as very happy and you are enjoying with your friends. You are enjoying your time, and they want the judgment in this connection. They are praying for the judgment, or reconciliation, I can say. Judgment meaning this person wants a reconciliation in this connection. So they want to celebrate with you. They want to have happy times with you with the Sun card. They want to celebrate this 3 of Cups. They want to celebrate. So as I told you already, there is a third party situation, but they want to come out of that. They are missing you. They are crying for you. So definitely they want to leave the other partner or the connection, and they want to come towards you. Angels and spirit guides, please give us one card as a summation to conclude this reading. So how they are feeling right now, how they are feeling right now towards my person, my viewer, how they are feeling about my viewer right now, how they are feeling about my viewer right now. Wow, the Lovers. As I told you already, they love you a lot, and they want to love you, and they see you as a lover. And this person might be Gemini also. And as I told you earlier also, I told you the signs. There are very less people, there will be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but most of them you will have the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Gemini is very strong here. So they love you a lot, and even you love them a lot, but there is because of this third party, they're not able to move towards you. That is the main problem here. Then I can see the numbers 10, then 19, 2, then 9, 4, then 20. These numbers might be prominent in your love life, or in this connection. So take it how it resonates, friends. Let's see their messages for you. What are their messages for my pile 2? What are their messages for my pile 2? What are their messages for my pile 2? Many messages came, friends. So let's see. So candlelight dinner. They want to have candlelight dinner with you. Children are affecting this connection. As I told you already, you have one child or they have already. So children are affecting this connection. I'm not the right person. So this person is feeling guilty. As I told you already, this 9 of Swords is there. This person is feeling guilty that they have done something to you, and they are feeling very regretted. Don't force me to commit. So maybe you are asking them to commit or get married together. So they are asking some time. They are saying that don't force me to commit. I miss you. As already I told you, the 9 of Swords is there. So they miss you a lot. You are mine forever. So they feel, with the Lovers card, they feel that you are mine forever. They feel that you are theirs. Engagement. So they want to have engagement with you. And are you happy without me? So they are wondering whether you are happy without them or not. So let's pull some initials. Okay, let's see. This might be their first name, middle name, or last name. L, W, P, Y, J, T, Q, E, and K. Okay, this might be their first name, middle name, or last name. Take it how it resonates. Then if you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, friends. So that's all I have for you right now. So let's move on to pile 3. Let me clear these cards. So whoever chose this stone lapis lazuli, this is the third pile. This reading is for you. So let's see how your person is feeling. What are their current energies towards you? Angels and spirit guides, please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. What are their current feelings towards my viewer? What are their current feelings towards my viewer? What are their current feelings towards my viewer? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. What are their current feelings towards my viewer? Astronomer, 3 of moons, 10 of stars. Okay, the burning tower. The burning tower. Okay, so this person feels that this relationship is ended already, because twice it is reconfirmation. I can see here you might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then actually all signs are here. The tower means Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Then we can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then we have the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. All the signs are here actually. So this person feels that this is ended. This relationship is ended, and they see you as you are very much wealthy. And then you are very abundant person. Okay, whoever is the viewer might be a female, and your person is thinking that you are very much abundant and honest, trustworthy. But for some reason tower moment happened in your life, and everything collapsed. They are feeling that everything is ended now, so nothing is there in between you. And also this 3 of moons means they are feeling that you are celebrating, you are enjoying your life, you have so many friends, you don't have time for them. And they are 10 of stars. That means this person is into a deep pain, and they feel that this is ended, and this cycle is completed. Then there is no relationship between you, because you don't need them. That's what they feel, that they feel that you cheated them, you deceived them. So they feel so much painful. They are maybe they are literally, they are not well, or they are crying at night, and they are feeling so painful, like 10 swords stabbed at their back. So you must have left this person for a third party. I feel so. This person feels like that actually. So this person feels that you left them for a third party. So that's the reason they feel that if this relationship is ended, then there is no way that this relation can be mended. Okay. So let's see what are the other cards is. What are their current feelings, spirits? What are their current feelings, spirits? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. What are their current feelings towards my viewer? What are their current feelings towards my viewer? What are their current feelings towards my viewer? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. The Lovers, 2 of Cups, 9 of Wands. Bottom of the deck is 3 of Wands. Okay, so as I told you already, you might be dealing with, all signs are here. You might be dealing with Gemini strongly. Okay, so they are just waiting for you. 3 of Wands means even though they have so many options, but they are waiting for you. They feel defeated. They feel they are turning their back towards you. That means they feel that it is ended. They can't do anything about this connection. But they love you so much, because the lovers card is there. They have lot of love towards you. They feel that this is divine connection, and the angels and spirit guides are guiding your connection, and they have some hope in this connection. They feel that you are their soulmate. They have you have some partnership with them. Maybe you both are business partners already, or you might be like wife and husband for some of you. So maybe it is going to towards the divorce, because 10 of swords is there. That means maybe the situation came up to divorce. So this person feels that you both are meant to be together, and you both are partners, and they want to share their cup of love to you. Okay, strongly I feel that whoever chose this lapis lazuli, the third pile, maximum people are like wife and husband, and you are separated, and the things gone worse, and tower moment came, something went very wrong, and this person feeling tired and broken, heartbroken, and they're feeling so sad for this connection, and they are waiting for you, but still their guards are up. That means they are not they don't want to communicate on their own. They are like all the defenses are there, like they are very very defensive. They are holding one wand in their hand, that is you, the option is you, but they are feeling very tired, and they might be literally they are not well actually. Maybe some health issues are there with this person, so right now, but they are like waiting for you, waiting for your call or message. They are praying god that something should happen, and somehow you both get together. That's what they are praying. They love you actually, but they don't know what to do, how to proceed, how to come towards you. Very painful situation your person is in. Sorry to say, pile number 3, your person is in a very sad state and very pitiable condition. I can feel the pain in this pile actually. So let's pull one card. Please give spirit guides one card of summation to conclude this reading. Please give one card, how they are feeling, what are their current feelings towards my viewer. Please give one card. What are their current feelings towards my viewer? The star. As I told you already, they see you as very abundant person, abundant woman, or a star, celebrity. So you are very, very beautiful. They are very much attracted towards you, and they have a lot of hope in this connection. They want this connection to work actually. So they are looking at you from far, they are observing you, they are gathering information about you, and they are still in love with you. They want to have this connection to come into fruition, and they want to reconcile actually. They have a hope in this connection, something will happen, and you both will come together. That's what this person is feeling with the star card. Okay, they somehow, because the tower moment happened between you, then 10 of swords means everything ended. This person is feeling everything ended, but somehow there is a some hope in the corner that something miracle will happen, and you both will be together. That's what this person feels. Okay, let's pull some cards from, what are the messages from your person? What are the messages from your person? What are the messages from your person? So they want to say so many things to you. They are like very much painful. Maybe they want to share many things with you. Okay, one more card we will take. They want to say so many things. I can't take so many cards. What are their, what they want to say? What are their messages for my viewer? What are their messages for my viewer? Okay, many cards came, friends. I did not take so many cards for other piles, but your pile is somehow I feel like to take. There is so much I want to say to you. As I told you already, this person want to say so much to you. I'm sorry I couldn't be your person. Okay, so this person is regretting now. I'm sorry I couldn't be your person. Maybe they did something wrong in the past, so they are regretting now. Let this connection be platonic. So they don't want to be in a hurry to have a physical connection. So they are saying that let this connection be platonic. I'm stuck now, please move on. So this person is stuck into some situation. So they are saying you move on. I didn't know how to fix this. So really they don't know how to fix this connection, because it went to two extremes. Twin flames. They feel that you are their twin flame. Candlelight dinner. They want to have candlelight dinner with you. Let's not rush things. Let it unfold naturally. So they don't want to rush things. So they want to have everything naturally. Thank you for the warm feelings you gave. Thank you for the warm feelings you gave. They are thanking you. Maybe you both have so many memories between you. I know I messed up everything. Okay, definitely this person might have done something to you that they are regretting now. I wish I had treated you better. Maybe in the past they rejected you, or they did not treat you better, so they are regretting for that. So let's pull some initials about your person. What are the initials for my pile number 3? B. This might be their first name, middle name, last name. Please take it how it resonates. D, T, A, V, F, S, L, K, U. Okay, so these are all the initials. This might be your person's first name, middle name, last name. Take it how it resonates. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. Hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell symbol to know more details and more updates about my channel. And also please comment on my readings. I love to read all your comments. Until the next reading, bye.